Hello, I'm Ricky the Busy Bee. Ever wondered who helped make the food you eat? The answer, buzzing bugs like me. I'm not just talking about honey, although we make that yummy runny stuff too. Think broccoli, tomatoes, apples. In fact, bees help provide about a third of what you eat, as well as bringing your gardens to life. We do this by spreading pollen between different parts of flowers and plants, allowing them to grow seeds and fruit, all while flapping our wings 200 times per second. In the UK, there are over 250 species made up of honey, solitary, and bumblebees. But right now, we're in serious trouble. In the last 10 years, our UK population has shrunk by around a third. That's because our habitats are being destroyed. There's changes in the climate, and some hives are being attacked by viruses. Chemicals used to protect crops from insects have also been blamed for some UK species having disappeared completely. And it's not just here. The US recently added 7 types of bee to its list of endangered species. But humans are taking action to help us survive. Because if we're not here to help make your vegetables and fruit grow, you guys could find yourselves in a very sticky situation.
Welcome to the Gogh Assembly. A queen bee lays eggs in honeycomb cells, and the eggs hatch.
The liver are fed, especially their diet grow quickly. And
When they become adult bees, the adult bees can be workers, drones, or queen bees.
bees live in colonies. They are collecting nectar and pollen for flowers.
They communicate using dance to tell other bees where to find food.
Bees defend their hive with stingers. Sometimes the bees split into groups and form a swarm when the hive gets too crowded.
Because bees in trouble, because they are losing their homes and food sources because of cities and pesticides.
This is a problem because if bees disappear, it would be harder for plants to make fruit and vegetables.
We can help bees. My planted flowers, we like and not use chemicals in your garden.
Not using harmful chemicals in our garden.
Let's be kind to bees and birds so they have safe place to live and find food.
Hold your pictures up. Put your pictures up. Malakai, pictures up.
Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, and my dear Pinewood students, today I want to introduce you to a remarkable group that's working tirelessly to protect and empower both women and bees, the Women for Bees group. This extraordinary initiative brings together women from around the world who are passionate about the environment and the well-being of our buzzing friends, the bees. The Women for Bees group understands the vital role that bees play in our ecosystem. They know that without bees, our world would be a very different place. Bees ain't only responsible for pollinating plants, but they also help maintain biodiversity and contribute to the production of food. They're nature's tiny heroes. But why focus on women specifically? Well, just like the worker bees within a hive, women have incredible quality to make them perfect champions. Women possess empathy, nurturing instincts, and a deep connection to the nature world. These qualities are beautifully aligned with the needs of the bees and the environment. The Women for Bees group believes that by empowering women and giving them the tools and knowledge they need, we can create a more sustainable and bee-friendly world through education, training, and mentorship. This group equips women with the skills to become beekeepers and advocates for the conversation. By joining forces with the Women for Bees group, women from diverse backgrounds can come together, share their knowledge, and learn from one another. They learn about beekeeping techniques, hive management, and the importance of sustainable practices. But it doesn't stop there. These women also become
the burden of women about the critical role of being an urgent need to protect them. Imagine a world where every woman could garden or big. A world with bee-friendly garden booming every backyard. With
sustainable
and
agriculture,
practice fowling, and where the community thrive in harmony. When that's all the woman for bee group and turning this vision into reality. My dear one, student, the woman from the bee group teach her the importance of collaborating. They know that when women come together, great things can happen. They provided us to care from our environment, to protect the bees, they turn to the powerful connection between woman and natural. As you grow older, I encourage you to learn more about the Women for Bee group and incredible work they're doing. But be inspired by their definition and remember that each and every one of you can make a positive impact on the world around you, just like being a woman by making women. Support and uplift the women who are fighting for being and environment. Take part in activities to promote bee conservation and planting bee-friendly flowers, broadening the view of farming practices, and spreading awareness about the important bees in our continent. Together, let's celebrate the Women for Bees group and their mission to protect both women and bees. Let's be inspired by their passion and dedication. Let's work together to create a future where women and bees and our planet thrive in harmony. Thank you, and may the Women for Bees group inspire you to be instead for the investment and advocate for change.
And what's the name of this group?
The Woman and the Bee.
Women for Bees.
Well done.
Bee facts.
There are over 200 different types of bees in the world, but the most familiar one is the honeybee. Hello.
Bees are fantastic artists. They build their homes using beeswax to create honeycomb cells.
Well done, guys. Thank you.
We are the queen bees of this hive. Worker bee, go and collect nature so we can make honey.
Yes, boss.
Look at flower.
Come on, guys. Let's get some flowers.
I'm a flower. Come and get my sweet, sweet nectar. It's the sale of the century.
Come on, lads. Let's get some nectar and fly back home.
Here you go, guys. Enjoy. Oh no. Oh no, my stomach hurts.
I feel
Oh no! There's too much pesticides in this nectar.
I said I feel ill.
I feel ill now.
We need to go to the hospital. The bugs are being down on the floor.
I feel ill.
No! My poor worker bees! Everyone using chemicals in their garden is hurting our bees!
Oh no, what have I done? What to save my bee friends? I love honey. No more in my garden. Fancy garden now.
If no one...
Hooray!